If God were merely a finite being who created the universe, it would indeed be egotistical to demand our worship. But God is much more than that. He is the infinite good, the highest good. God is himself the good. And so the proper object of God's own will is himself as the highest good. And similarly, for us, God is the highest good, and we should have the priority in our lives of worshiping and loving him as the highest good. To place anything else above God or in the place of God is literally a form of idolatry. And so far from being egomaniacal or inappropriate, on the contrary, for God to enjoin worship of himself is simply to say that we should love and adore that which is the highest good, which is, of course, entirely appropriate.